Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. So first audio driver, this is audio driver, and just click to download. It will take some time to complete. So it is completed. Then open. Now this is exe, so you have to click on double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then close it.